So you have a house and you're wondering, do you want to sell it and buy a new one from the builder, or do you want to demolish it and build new? There are pros and cons for each of those options. One of the advantages of buying from a builder, obviously, is that there's no headache. You don't have to manage the construction, and your budget is quite clear. Other than the add-ons and the upgrades that you are handling with the builder, you have a very clear understanding of how much the project is going to cost you. Moreover, the finance is so much simpler and easier when it comes to buying something from a builder rather than obtaining construction finance. So in most scenarios, when you are building your own home, you have to have more cash in your bank to be able to afford to build it. At the end of the day, both might cost more or less the same, but your initial investment in a custom house build is definitely higher. It's a bigger investment. The advantage is obviously that you're customizing everything, you control the quality, another good advantage to keep in mind is that when you build a new home, typically you're building it on an older lot that used to have an older house, or you're building it on a farm and so forth. So the land is substantially bigger compared to when you buy it from a builder, because builders build subdivisions and they want to maximize their profit. So the lot sizes continue to get smaller and smaller in time. So when you have a house that was built in the 60s, for example, most probably the lot dimension is going to be bigger. So having a 50-foot frontage by 150 depth is definitely better than having like a 35 by 100 or 40 by 70 or 40 by 100. So those are different aspects to keep in mind. In terms of soft cost, that's something else that you have to keep in mind. So the design cost for a custom house could, sometimes reach $100,000. That's money that you might think that you can invest it in your cookie cutter home and make it a little bit different. So these are just some of the aspects that would help you make a decision.